Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan and I'm going to give you a very important questions for Physical Pharmaceutics 1. Yes, my dear students, this is for B Pharm 3rd semester Physical Pharmaceutics 1. I was getting a lot of queries from the students for Physical Pharmaceutics 1. What I feel is that the subject is not that much tough. If you plan it, if you prepare it accordingly and you try to answer these questions before exams, I'm sure you are going to score good marks. My dear students, but believe me that your objective should not be to just pass the exams but to clear it with good marks, because ultimately that is going to build up your CGPA. So my dear students, without wasting the time, let us begin the session. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting all the important contents related to pharmacy. So let us begin the session. For Physical Pharmaceutics 1, few questions are always repeated many times. In the first few slides, I have tried to focus the questions which have been raised in various exams and are very important. So like define ideal solution. Now this is again a numerical problem whereby you are given the concentration of the solute and concentration of the solvent and you have to calculate the mole fraction of the solvent. Then what is Charles' law? Explain it. Explain eutectic mixtures. Why drop of liquid hanging in air is spherical in shape always? Explain the term solubilization. Define complexation. You have to memorize these few definitions. What are chelate compounds and what is chelation? What is Sorensen's pH scale? Name the two important biological buffer systems present in the biological system. So you can understand that. Other important questions like enlist the limitations of the distribution law. Define salvation and association. Define real solution. Define diffusion. What are chelate compounds? State Raoult's law. What is vapor pressure? Define HLB scale. What are surface and interfacial tensions? Define Sorensen's pH scale. Explain ideal solubility parameters. These questions may be asked in 10 marks. What are its implications, advantages and limitations? Describe briefly the methods for determination of ideal solubility parameters. Define crystalline solids. What are different types of the crystals? Enlist and explain characteristics of crystals. Define tonicity. Differentiate isoosmotic and isotonic solution. Describe the methods that are used to adjust pH and tonicity. My dear students, I have seen several question papers and I find that tonicity you can expect always 2-3 questions on tonicity, module 5 and 2-3 questions from solubility parameters always. Then describe solubility of liquids in liquids. Describe determination and applications of dipole moment and dissociation constant. Describe classification of complexation. Define solubility. My dear student, these are the questions from module 1. So like define solubility. Explain mechanisms of solute-solvent interactions. Mention the reason of solubility in different types of the solvent. Explain critical solution temperature. This is again very important. And its application using suitable examples. Differentiate between crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Define adsorption. Explain the factors affecting adsorption. Mention the characteristic features of physioption and chemisorptions. Give the statements and postulates of kinetic molecular theory of ideal gases. Discuss the thermodynamic stability of stability constants. Elaborate the electrometric and colorimetric pH determination methods. Describe pharmaceutical and biological buffers. Define buffered isotonic solutions. Describe methods of adjustment of tonicity. Discuss protein binding. Explain solubilization and detergency. Describe sublimation critical point and eutectic mixtures. Discuss critical solution temperatures and applications. Write short notes on liquid crystals and glassy states. Now my dear students, I have raised few important questions from each of the modules now. So this is the question bank. This is from the very first module, module 1. Enumerate and elaborate factors affecting solubility. Define solubility. Always remember few definitions you have to remember. Discuss solubility of liquids and liquids. Discuss solubility of solid in liquids or gas in liquids. Discuss mechanism of solute-solvent interaction. Discuss in detail about the Raoult's law and its applications. Discuss in details about the distribution law and its application and limitations. Write diffusion principles in biological systems. Now from the module 2. Discuss physicochemical properties of drugs in detail. What are the various states of matter and how can various states of matter be changed? Describe the sublimation critical point and eutactic mixtures. Describe determination and application of dielectric constants and dissociation constant. Difference between amorphous and crystalline solids. Write short notes on dipole moments, latent heat, vapor pressure, relative humidity, aerosols, inhalers, polymorphism. Now from the module 4, elaborate methods for measuring surface and interfacial tensions. What is interfacial tension and the methods of measurements? What is spreading coefficient? Explain solubilization and detergency. What is surface active agents and HLB scale? What is surface free energy? What is adsorption in detail? Now the questions from module 5. Describe and discuss classification of complexes. Classify complexes. Discuss metal ion complexes in detail. Discuss in detail about the protein binding. Write method of analysis of complex formation. Discuss thermodynamic treatment of stability constants. Define ligands and its types. How the bonding of drugs, proteins and their actions. So basically we are talking about the drug protein interactions. My dear students, this is exhaustive question bank, and I'm sure if you're going to try to answer these questions, you're going to score great marks. So now questions for module 5. Discuss different methods of adjusting tonicity and pH. Write different methods of determination of pH, electrometric and colorimetric. Discuss in detail about the Sorensen's pH scale. Define buffers in pharmaceuticals or biological system. Discuss buffer equation in detail. Here we are referring to the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Write a note on the buffer capacity, buffer isotonic solution, buffer of buffer solutions. Define buffer and its classification and write about the buffer action. Define buffer isotonic solution and their method of tonicity and method of adjusting tonicity. My dear students, this is exhaustive question bank for Physical Pharmaceutics 1. If you answer them thoroughly, if you try to keep them in your mind and prepare yourself for answering these questions well before your exams, I am sure you are going to great marks. The objective should be to score good marks as possible. My dear students, that's all for this session. I'm sure these questions are going to help you a lot for your Physical Pharmaceutics 1. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further important contents related to pharmacy. Thank you so much.